What is tutorial? And what is enrichment? Which one is the best for my child? Can we enroll in both? How can myLearning venue help my child reach their goals? What is the perfect program for my child? These are the lingering questions that we have been dealing with lately. myLearning venue offers the best programs for your child's educational needs. We have tutorials and enrichments. Tutorials are best if your child is struggling with any subject in school, if your child needs additional help in school, and if your child needs an expert in a particular subject to make their schoolwork easier to understand. How about enrichment? myLearning venue offers a specially designed curriculum and material for their students. An assessment test is given to them to determine the starting level of the student, and it is best if the child is in their early years, and best if the child is doing well and just wants to get ahead. What are you waiting for? Enroll now!